What's going on, guys? Mixed here, back again for another cocktail. It's the first one of the year, and what we're going to do, we are going to make a Clover Club. So with this one, it is a pre-Prohibition era cocktail. So this dates before the 20th century. So this goes back to the 1800s, where I think it is founded in Philadelphia. So with the Clover Club, it was repopularized in 2008, as it made its comeback in fashion. As it came back into fashion in New York, quite conveniently actually in Brooklyn. So as you can see, we've got a Brooklyn gin, so it's only fitting that we use this gin for this particular cocktail. So with the Clover Club, it's quite a tarty one, but it's also quite sweet as well. But the gin makes this cocktail, it absolutely makes it, and the quality of the gin determines how good a Clover Club is. And a Brooklyn gin, I cannot wait to try this. I've not actually used it before for a cocktail, so this will be the first time, as Just GC was kind enough to bring it back from New York for me, so this will be the first time actually trying it. So with the Clover Club, when it came back in 2008, it was Julie Reiner who opened a cocktail bar in Brooklyn that named for this classic drink. So naturally, with the bar, it put a Clover Club on the menu, and the cocktail has remained there ever since. So if you do go there, you'll see a Clover Club. So that's one thing Just GC you did miss. But for the Clover Club, it's going to say it is a Philadelphia one, as this is the claim to fame in the cocktail scene, even though it was repopularized back in New York, Brooklyn. So let's make the Clover Club, so the modern version of it. So with the Clover Club, it is 2 ounces of gin, so 60ml, 1 ounce of raspberry syrup, 30ml, and 1 ounce of lemon juice, 30ml. Then of course you garnish it with raspberries, and of course you use the egg white as well. So get your cocktail glass, and what we're going to do now is prepare the drink. So let's get straight into this. So get your cocktail shaker and put in 4 to 5 ice cubes. First into the tin, my friends, is 60ml or 2 ounces of gin. We are using Brooklyn gin, so this is a dry gin. Next, 30ml or 1 ounce of raspberry syrup. Next, 30ml or 1 ounce of fresh lemon juice. Last but not least, 1 egg white. Put your lid on. And what we're going to do now is give it a nice hard shake for 30 seconds. Get your cocktail glass and strain into it. What we're going to do now is garnish it with 3 raspberries. And there we go, one Clover Club. There we go, ladies and gentlemen. How does the Clover Club taste? One little tip here from one bartender to another. If you ever do the egg white to get a bigger foam, is do a dry shake first. So 2 shakes. So 1 shake before the ice, and then another shake with the ice applied. That's how you get a little bit of a better foam. I still like the result. It's a very nice one, but I think it could be a little bit better. That's always my little tip for you. Something I have got to do today. Tell you what, this cocktail is absolutely banging. It is absolutely beautiful, that. I mean, with gin, it can be a little bit sour when you have gin because it's a sour spirit, but that is a very nice combination, especially with the lemon juice. So it has a little bit of tartiness to it, but it's nicely balanced. And I think the gin, if you have a quality one like this, Brooklyn gin is very nice. This is my first time of trying it, and that is smooth. One thing I will say. Jay definitely knows his booze. One thing I will say for him, I should send him out more often to get some booze back, because that is absolutely quality. I recommend that, really. But the Clover Club, I think that's a solid 9 out of 10. It's very close to a 10 out of 10. But if you're a gin lover, I think that's a 10 out of 10 as well. If you love your gin, I would recommend the Clover Club. Smooth, tarty and sweet all at the same time, but not overpowering. That's the key to this cocktail. And it's nicely decorated as well. I'll only knock a mark off for my sloppiness. I'm not doing the dry shake beforehand. That's my only critique of myself. But that, my friends, is a Clover Club. If you've got any better recipes, or if you've got any American cocktails that you want me to make on this channel, do let me know in the comments below, as I'm always looking for new recipes. And this is the start of 2025. So that, my friends, is the Clover Club. So say have a nice weekend, and I will see you guys for the next cocktail. But if you are new around here, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to Mix It for more cocktails like this, and I will see you guys for the next one. Cheers. That is beautiful. That is absolutely beautiful. I don't know what to change the score to a 10 out of 10. I don't like it that much. That is my last one, 10 out of 10.